DGCA safety inspector is expected to visit the site. Remember this, after 10 people died and at least 4 were injured after the air ambulance crashed in a residential area in Faridabad yesterday. We have Jaguri and Bhavtosh joining us live. Jaguri, we understand that the inspector of inquiry will take a first-hand assessment of the situation and hand over material evidence to the court of inquiry whenever it is set up.
Right, the DGCA has been given the responsibility of carrying an inquiry. It's a 6-member team of the DGCA. Yesterday, Joint Director of DGCA Alok Sharan was here, and at 10:45 he's scheduled to come here. But since morning, if we can show you the wreckage site here, DGCA officials have been camping here. They are started with the investigation. Now, DGCA inspector is carrying out the investigation, and they are scheduled to submit their findings to the court of inquiry. But as you can see, there is police around here because we understand that the local residents had been gathering since last night. Now the police has tried to cordon off the area because we understand that after the crash, this entire edifice has become very weak and there are fears that, a collapse can happen. So really, the police taking all sorts of precautions, but the task is of the DGCA as of now to find out what really happened. The preliminary inquiry shows that it was bad weather due to which the pilot lost control, and from 8,000 feet the flight just nosedived and crashed into the house. I have Bhavtosh with me. Bhavtosh, what is the latest that we are finding out about the investigation in the case?
Well, as you said rightly, that the DGCA safety inspector would be visiting the area. In fact, few officials from the DGCA are already being assisted by the Faridabad police who are camping in the area. The biggest task before them is to take out the wreckage from here and then to study it. In fact, as you can see from the wreckage, you can imagine the magnitude of the tragedy that took place here. In fact, this was like a ball of fire which came from 11,000 feet, exactly hit the roof where 3 women were sleeping. All three of them died on the spot. The problem that rescue workers faced last night was that because of narrow bylanes and large number of curious onlookers, the rescue work started late and they had no option but to just douse the flames, and which resulted in rescue work stretching on till 3 a.m. We were here till late last night, and in fact the fire tenders had to literally take out the pipes and then quell this fire, and it was a task which was both very arduous as well as which was very lengthy.
Civil Aviation Ministry sources are saying that they've entrusted the DGCA with the responsibility of conducting the investigation. The Civil Aviation Ministry, in fact, will be giving a report, submitting a report very shortly.